In this lesson, we will navigate bump testing on the C-gas detector. A bump test is a quick check with a known concentration of gas to make sure your gas detector is working properly. To perform a bump test, you will need these pieces of equipment. Here we have a calibration gas cylinder, which should be a span gas that matches the target gas, a regulator, tubing, and a calibration clip. I will demonstrate the bump test on a C-gas analog detector with a carbon monoxide sensor. The procedure is the same on the digital C-gas detector. To begin the bump test, first connect the calibration gas cylinder to the detector using the tubing and the calibration clip. I'm using the 100 ppm carbon monoxide span gas to match our sensor and target gas. Open the valve on the regulator to allow the gas to flow. Then monitor the detector's display and response actions. Wait for the reading to stabilize and confirm if the reading is correct. Here we see the detector displays approximately 100 ppm, so this is accurate. At this point, the sensor should detect the test gas and the controller should respond as configured, for instance by triggering alarms or activating ventilation. Here, you can see the strobe light flashing and the alarm LED indicator is red. The screen on the detector may flash as well. I'll stop the alarm for now. At this point, the bump test is complete for one sensor. If the C-gas detector has a second sensor installed, the bump testing will have to be performed for the second sensor using the same procedure. And that is how to perform a bump test on the C-gas detector.